Hi, Craig here from Outdure. I'm going to give you an overview of our product and service offer, starting with Qwickbuild, our aluminium deck framing system. It's a modular aluminium deck framing system that's made of obviously aluminium, but also 304 stainless steel bracketry and componentry. Now, there's a number of major features and benefits of this system over anything else available on the market. First of all, we can provide a multi-surface option, so you can choose composite decking, hardwoods, synthetic turf, or structural tiles. You can do any of those, or you can do a combination of those. So as you can see, we can do the tiles and the decking all on one deck frame system. Now, I'll talk more about how those get fastened, but the next major feature benefit is that we can do a whole range of heights. So if we go down here, you can see that this deck frame is actually very low to the ground. So we can build deck structures over a waterproof membrane, over existing concrete pads, and over existing concrete tiles or pavers. So we can start off at around about 55 millimeters of height for the system, and then go right through to how high you want to go off the ground. So whether it's 3 meters up off the ground or what, we can do all of that. Our profiles, we have 6 different profiles to choose from, starting with a 13 mil profile, which actually acts as a joist and a bearer, believe it or not. And then we have our 28 mil profile, which is the next one up. And then we go into our 45 mil by 45 mil profile. And from here we start to work in 45 mil increments. So we have 45 by 45, we have our 90 by 45, we have our 135 millimeter by 45, and then we have our 180. Now, the benefit of these profiles is that they really mix and match, and you can do any combination of these joists and beams. So what it allows you to do is create all these different structures and really value engineer your deck frame based on what you need. Now, in terms of the clipping system that we're offering, so we have our proprietary twist clip, which allows you to fasten a board. It's as simple as putting a clip in, turning it around and pushing it into the board, and now that has secured the board down. Then we have our double joist bracket, which you can see here, which I can pull out. So if you've got an existing joist, you want to add another joist in, you simply go, clip this in, slide this in, screw it off, put your clip in here, slide that in through there, and push that board in, and then stick your next clip in. There we go. I've got this is a different clip, this one here. There we go. Then you'd put your next board in, and then you'd put your next clip in like that. The system allows you to create mounts for railing systems. We can create stairs, and we have options for putting in different kind of posts that you want. Whether it's a ground screw from, say, stop digging, whether we've got aluminium posts, timber posts, is a great option. So now you're probably asking yourself, well, this is all very well, but how do I know what components I need? This is where the deck planner software comes into it. So online, you can go and you can draw your deck, and we'll show this on the screen now. You can draw your deck and you can design it how you want, the surface layout, whether you've got breaker boards or whether you want to do a special tile layout. And then it gives you the options of what you want to choose for your specifications, what materials you want to choose from, so your surface selections.
Ladies and gentlemen, have your attention, please. The time now is 4:45. Design and construction will be closing in 15 minutes. Once again, the time is 4:45. Design and construction.
We can overlay that video on top of this.
Thank you.
So as you can see here, then you choose which structure you want to use from. You've got your price over here, so you can see how they compare in price. Then you select your structure that you like, then you get your item list, It shows you everything that you need to purchase. Then it has your PDF, which actually includes your surface design, your specifications, your item list. Then it goes through to your cut list for your, say, your decking boards, your structure design, the overall structure design, and then your joist to design, your bearer and support layout, your frame details, your span details, your common connections and how they all operate. And then it goes and provides you the brochures on all the products that you've selected as part of that. So that gives you an overview of what you can expect when you deal with Outdure. If you've got some projects that you'd like to for us to price up, we're happy to do that all again. So that gives you an overview of our product and service offer. If you'd like to know more information, reach out to us through one of our channels, either through Instagram or through our website. And there's multiple ways that you can connect with us. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the tile system. So this is an innovation that we've developed that is unique to us. There's nowhere else in the market where we can put a 600 by 600 by 20 mil tile on our framing system. The joists are at 600 mil centers. It's a structural tile. We have a rubber bead that's used to essentially isolate the tile from the aluminium, so it sits there nicely. There's no noise. We have a nice 5 mil gap in between the tiles for water drainage, and they're incredibly cost effective and very fast to install.